혜진이도 그게 졸라 귀찮았어요. 아 근데 이 미친년이 지도 혼수만 거 올리면 혜진이처럼 될 줄 알고 했는데 혜진이가
Hello, hello, hello. Hey, this is Hall of Fantasy. Sorry for the bad audio. Today we're cooking a steak in a stainless steel pan with no oil. All right, let's see how she goes. Good hot pan, drop her in. Okay, so let it rest about 5 minutes, whatever. Now, the problem is this part is thinner than this part, so this might be done or overdone. This might not be done at all. So, all right, let's see how it goes. Pardon the noise. Come here, you. There we go. See that? Some would say overdone. Some would say done okay. So, take a bite. Not bad. I put some salt and pepper on the plate already. So, hey. Fatter side. Yeah. That's too rare for me. So in hindsight, I probably should have cut the meat across this way and cooked this separate from this. But, oh well. That's the way it goes. I'll probably fry this up later on. But overall, it's not a bad little system trying to cook your meat with no oil in a cast iron pan. It's just make sure the meat is the same uniform. Just try to get your meat in a uniform size, and that way it should cook properly. All right, like I always say, see you, buy it, try it, and hope you like it. Take care wherever you are. Have a great day.